Are we going to talk about that?
About what?
About what he...
He sounds like he knows what he's doing. And the AI will work fine. It worked well for the previous mission.
I wasn't talking about that.
What then?
The fact that you survived an encounter with
A general AI, and not just any general AI.
Simuni the general AI.
Don't you want to share the details of your
Experiences. So we can have a better understanding.
of how these things work? And also, are you okay? Are you mentally ready?
Well, if we get through this, I will consider it.
Tumi, is that you?
Yes, Bheki Zizwi, it's me.
Last time I saw you, we were on a mission together for Simun.
Yes.
Wow. When I heard about the mission to find water, I thought you would be the perfect candidate. But after your experience with Simunye, I was certain you wouldn't leave your terraformed asteroid paradise again. I mean, after what we experienced, it takes a certain type of person to brave space again. To be specific, it takes a man.
I guess I am proving you wrong.
Yes, you are.
Like I always did. Anyhow, we have a mission to complete. So we'll be on our way.
Now you know I can't let that happen.
Just let us through.
Are you coming peacefully, or will we have to take you...
We're not coming peacefully.
Scout?
Ladies of Intoba Yilonga, you were originally part of our tribe. Many of you were wrongly indoctrinated, and so you ran away from the order to start a new distorted, degenerate society. We understand that this is not your fault, but that you have been led astray by misinformation. So, for generations, we have shown mercy upon you. So today, ladies, we will show you mercy and take you back, re-educate on the correct ways a woman should live, and you will be cleansed from your immoral, deviant lives.
Tokoloshe. Tokoloshe.
Tokoloshe. Tokoloshe.